Hello again, guys. If for some reason you don't want to have a history of watching on YouTube, you can use Incognito Mode. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube on your phone. First, let's quickly check if the YouTube is updated. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and find YouTube. If there is a button Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now open the YouTube app and in the top right corner click on your profile image. Here you can see various options. Find an option called Turn on Incognito. Click on it and confirm. Now down here you can see a message that you are in Incognito Mode and you can watch whatever you want. To turn off Incognito Mode, on top right click on this icon. List of options will pop up. Click here on Turn off Incognito. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials like this, follow our channel.